Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So we have an unboxing for you today. A kind gentleman called James at Evolution Tools has sent me an item which he's asked me to review. This won't be the actual review, this is simply the unboxing. Clearly I can't review something until I've used it quite extensively. So let's just take a quick peek, shall we, see what we've got. So as we can see, this is a multi-purpose compound mitre saw. Tells you a little bit about it there, look. Some of the specs. We have a few pics on the other side of the box. Allen key, instruction booklet. It's got to be this one at the back here. There we go. So it's got a nice long cable. And that must be about, what, 5 or 6 feet, so that's good. Goes in there. Move that back a bit. So what's this? This looks as if it may secure this, possibly. You can see that this bit here, look, that's used to secure, perhaps for example, a piece of timber or material you wish to cut. That's pretty good. So this is just a quick look, as I say, you know, it's not a review or anything like that. So clearly that enables you to set the angles. It's quite a sturdy little item actually, at least it appears to be. Okay. So that's a stabilising arm apparently. It's quite a good idea. You can see where it's possible to secure it to a workbench, for example. Let's take a look at this blade, shall we? Because I believe it is a multi-purpose blade and you can cut a number of different materials on here. So this can cut steel, aluminium, wood and plastic. I was wondering how many teeth it's got. 24 teeth, 210mm, 8¼ inches. This is looking pretty decent. say. Right, so this is quite stiff to push around. We can see that when you push it around, it locks into place on particular angles. Yeah, so it just needs a little bit more of a push really. Okay. And at the end of the day, I suppose you don't want it moving around too freely, do you? Because if not, it may not give you the secure cuts you're looking for. So yeah, basically you just need to give it a little bit of a push. I do actually like that ratchet type mechanism. So let's have a quick look. Okay, so we can see that whenever it hits a certain number of degrees, it sort of, you know, locks, not necessarily locks into place, but when you hear that ratchet mechanism working, it's actually identifying the fact that you've hit the next marker, as it were. So 15 degrees, 22.5, 30, okay. It's quite a nice little feature actually. So let's just check out the bevel on this again, shall we? So this is obviously the dust collection bag. Got a little grip on there, look. Goes on the back. Like so. So what we'll do, look, just lock this into place, shall we? There we go. Perhaps you can see that a little bit better. It's handy. Thank you for watching.